Hello, my name is Lou Dewey, Driver Services Coordinator for Total Transit. Today we're learning about the Mobile Data Terminal, or MDT. It's the computerized device in each taxi cab that allows the driver to accept dispatch trips and to communicate with Discount Cab's dispatch team. Discount Cab uses the Series 2008 MDT from Mobile Knowledge. In this video, I'll introduce the different parts of the MDT, including the display, the hard keys, and the soft keys. On the left side of the display is where information and general messages are displayed. On the right side of the display is where static information is displayed. This information includes the day of the week, the time of day, the status, and the GPS signal strength. The GPS signal strength is measured on a scale of 0 to 100, with 100 being the strongest signal possible. A measurement of at least 70 is needed for proper operation of the MDT. Below the GPS signal strength is the current time. And below that is the status, which right now is idle. If we were booked in a zone, the status would tell us that. If we were working on a trip, the status would be either en route or on call. The display has four main types of screens, and the columns of letters on the right side of the display indicate the current type of screen. G for general messages, J for job information, F for fare broadcast, and T for taxi cab broadcast. Now let's talk about the hard keys. The hard keys allow you to perform basic functions in any MDT state. The circular button allows you to arrow up or down, left or right. To change screen types, press the arrow up or down. The clear key allows you to delete messages and any information that has been entered in error. The code key allows you to send codes to dispatch. Codes allow drivers to communicate different situations to dispatch without the need for voice communication. The form key allows you to select specific forms. You'll use this key to enter your driver ID and current mileage of the taxi cab upon logging into the MDT. The send key transmits entered information directly to dispatch. In addition to these hard keys, the MDT also has a series of soft keys. The soft keys vary depending on the MDT state. To use a soft key, press the key A through D below the desired function on the bottom of the MDT display. If necessary, press the menu key to scroll to another one of the three lines of soft key options. You'll notice that most of the hard keys are marked with corresponding numbers. For example, the A key also includes the number 1. When you're performing a function that requires numbers, the hard key will input the number when pressed. You'll notice that the MDT doesn't have a power button. The MDT powers on automatically when the taxi cab is started. It also powers down automatically 30 minutes after the taxi cab is shut down, thus allowing the driver to use the MDT without running the engine. If you'd like to use the MDT without the engine running for more than 30 minutes, keep the taxi in accessory mode. This concludes part 1 of the MDT, where we learned about the display, the hard keys, and the soft keys.